So this is how you can check battery percentage of your phone using your Samsung Galaxy Watch. For this video I'm using Marine Digital watch face from AMOLED watch faces that is also available for giveaway. Free coupons are available via the link down in description, so don't forget to check it out. Once again, they are limited in number, so make sure you try your luck as soon as possible. So how to install this battery complication on your Galaxy Watch? Just search for this app on Google Play Store. Once again, this is again from AMOLED watch faces. You have to install this app both on your phone and on your watch. After you have installed this app, choose any watch face of your choice. Here I'm using Marine Digital from AMOLED watch faces. To add a complication, just long press on the watch face and now tap on Customize. Swipe to the left and you will see complications in this section. Here I can add a complication just by tapping on my selected region. So let's choose this site. Now scroll all the way down till you see phone battery level. Present here. Just choose it and now it will show battery percentage of your phone on your Galaxy Watch. So right now this is the battery percentage on my phone and it is showing this on my Galaxy Watch. You can try it out on different watch faces that support these complications. Now talking about watch face, it is decent and nice, easy to read. We have our time in this section with battery percentages highlighted here. Further, we have specific app shortcuts with this watch face that you can use just by tapping here on app 1, app 2. And now you can add any app of your choice. Plus, if you want to change colors with this watch face, that is also doable. Just once again long press on the watch face and tap on Customize. Now under color section you can change colors with the time and information highlighted in the background. So this is Marine Digital, available on Google Play Store. Links for both of these apps are down in description. Don't forget to check them out. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.